Hi there. I'm just going to show you a quick demo of the Raptor Assistant extension that's available inside the Qlik Sense applications. The Raptor Assistant is just an object that gets added to a Qlik sheet, as you can see down here. What you can also do is that you can hide it so that it does not become visible to anyone. But once you've added to the sheet, it activates the assistant and it makes it available to the specific sheet. So you can also choose which sheets you would like the assistant on. So it doesn't have to be on every single one. Then when I click on this tab, then I'll get the drop down showing my assistant here that I can talk to. Please ignore this. This is just something that is not in the live application. This is just for the video purposes to get this going here. But then from here, if there is more than one LLM configuration defined, you as a user can choose those different options. And then what there'll also be is a security per different configuration. So you can create multiple configurations and then assign a specific configuration to a user so that they don't have access to if there's any particular LLM model that you want. What this also allows to do is to integrate any open source LLMs as well. So should you want any to use any on-premise or if you have any GPUs to deploy, then you can also use those on-premise models or connect any frontier models from any of the labs that's available. So every single one is supported. I'll just show you an example with the GPT-5.4. So you would just type your question as normally. So I've just got one prepared here. You would then send your request, and then the assistant will go and look and see if you have any current selections made. Also, what sheet are you on? What application are you in? So all of that information is grounded with your queries. As you send that first message, it's all grounded in the application, the sheet, and then any current selections that you might have as well. Then there afterwards, when it comes back, it'll then return your response or return a response. And there afterwards, you can review that. And as it's, I think what I like the most is now the next options that it gives. Where you can then say share of change by service line or year by year trend explanation leading into 2020. So you can then question or continue your line of questions as you go through. And then also you can sort of move the object around. It does not have to be static there, so that you are able to then navigate the application if you'd like to move it over here, for example, continue here, and then continue with your conversation with the agent as you're going through the application. And then you can even full screen it if you want that to be your focus conversation. And then lastly, from there, what you can do is you can also then reset the conversation as well so that you can start a new line of questions. When you do come in again, if you have not reset, it is obviously user aware and everything like that, so that when you come in next time, you will have exactly the same messages that you had before, or you can then just refresh or reset and then continue new messages. Thank you very much.